Hello guys, I am Vinay Pandey and let us solve KBPY 2018 SA Part 1 Chemistry question number 36. Question number 36 says, the compound shown below can be readily prepared by Friedel-Crafts reaction between. This is the compound. This is the compound and this is to be prepared by Friedel-Crafts reaction between benzene and 2-nitrobenzoyl chloride, benzyl chloride and nitrobenzene, nitrobenzene and benzoyl chloride, benzene and 2-nitrobenzyl chloride. See, nitrobenzene will not work. Nitrobenzene will not work. So B and C options are straightforward, rejected. And this nitrobenzyl, 2-nitrobenzyl chloride will not give C double bond O over here, right? So let us check. I think option A is the correct option, but let us check. Benzene and 2-nitrobenzoyl chloride, okay? Benzene and 2-nitrobenzoyl chloride. 2-nitrobenzoyl chloride is this. 2-nitrobenzoyl chloride is this, COCl, right? And if you treat it with anhydrous AlCl3, then you will get a carbocation at this benzoyl carbon. This is NO2, which is at position number 2, and this is the carbocation formed. This carbocation is stable because of resonance, and this, if you treat it with benzene, it will attack on benzene ring, and finally it will form the product here, right? This is the product. That means reaction of benzene and 2-nitrobenzoyl chloride will finally give the given product, give the suggested product, right? So answer to this question will be A. Okay guys, so answer to this question is A. Please stay tuned for the next question.